we have our puff pastry here. Now I'm gonna grab my ultra thin mild cheddar cheese, pull that out of its bag, and we are gonna grab our cheese by the paper and place it right on top of our puff pastry, just like so. We are making a delicious and super easy holiday appetizer that will impress all of your guests because it's gonna be not only tasty, but it's gonna look beautiful on your Christmas appetizer table. I'm gonna use my pizza cutter and cut off that extra cheese. Easy peasy. Keep that pizza cutter to the side, or you're gonna use that again. Now I'm coming in with my smoked deli ham. Ham and cheddar, oh my, name a better duo. I'll wait.
Ooh, there isn't one.
Okay, let's get our little sliced ham out. Now, if you had, some Christmas ham left over, you could try to use that for this. Just cut it very thin. We want it to be deli sliced. Now we're putting that ham right on top of our cheddar cheese, on top of our puff pastry. We're almost done here. We just have a few more little steps, very quick steps, and then this is gonna be in the oven, just like so. Okay, I have one more sheet of puff pastry that we are gonna put right on top. Try to line it up perfectly with your other puff pastry, and then we are gonna pull off this parchment paper.
Oh, it's like a sandwich.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're going for. And then if you need to adjust it, go ahead and adjust it at this moment. We're gonna go ahead and cut our puff pastry vertically, just like so. Super quick and easy. They just need to be about 1/2 inch wide for this recipe. All right, now for the fun, festive part. Move this aside, give us some counter space to work with. We're gonna go ahead and pull our puff pastry off of our parchment paper. And now we are gonna go ahead and stack our little ham and puff pastry very quickly, just like so, to make
oh my gosh,
a Christmas tree.
It looks like a tree.
And in order to get that tree to stay in place, we're gonna put it on its back. And then I have a skewer here, and we're gonna put the skewer all the way through all of those layers. Just like,
so that way it bakes into a better tree.
yeah, and that's puff pastry, so it's gonna expand and it's gonna look very cute. All right, let's finish our last little Christmas tree swirl, just like so.
Look at that.
So cute, so easy. Grab our skewer, make sure it goes through all of our layers, all the way to the top. I like to leave a little bit on the top, just like that. And then we have our sheet pan that I greased with our little appetizers ready. Okay, my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 25 minutes. All right, while our Christmas trees are cooling down, I'm gonna grab a stick of melted butter. I have some minced garlic that I'm gonna go ahead and put right in there. We're gonna make some delicious garlic butter. What's better than garlic butter?
Absolutely nothing.
And then we want some green on our Christmas trees, so we're gonna do some chopped parsley. Do a lot, right?
Yeah, bring it on.
And then lastly, some shredded Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so delicious. Not too much of the cheese, because there's already cheese in the trees.
Extra cheese, please.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and give this a good mix. Oh my gosh, look how rich and delicious that looks. That is ready for our trees, but we have one more very important step, and we are gonna need some extra sharp white cheddar cracker cut cheese.
What's that for?
You'll see. We need about 6 slices of our cheese. Lay this out on our little cutting board, just like so. And then I have a tiny little star cookie cutter so we can cut out stars for our tree. Look how adorable that is. You can use whatever cheese you like. I just like the white cheddar because it makes it look like a white, beautiful tree topper. All right, our stars are ready. Let's go ahead and slide in our Christmas trees.
Oh, they look so good.
Right, so cute. They just puffed up beautifully. Let's go ahead and brush it with our butter, make them look nice and delicious. Oh yeah.
So could you do this before, or is it just better to do it after?
I mean, I want to taste that butter, so I'm doing it after.
True.
Doesn't really matter though. It's all gonna taste the same. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so good?
Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Look at that.
All right, it's time to add the star to our tree. Look how beautifully cooked that puff pastry is.
That looks good.
And we're just going to poke that right in there, just like that. How cute.
How cute is that?
And then put them on our serving platter. The cutest Christmas appetizer ever. Oh my, I am so excited. These are so adorable.
So are you just sticking it on there, or are you poking it on there?
I'm poking it.
What? Okay, let me see.
Okay, let me like this, at an angle, pokes right on.
Wait, turn around. Oh, okay, that's perfect,
Yeah. Merry Christmas. Let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm picking the cutest one, of course.
Is it good?
It's really good.